Hi friends, this is Anand Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stocks Offers, and this is the pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into that analysis, this is my disclaimer. So let's move on to SGX Nifty. So what we discussed yesterday, the same time, it's about SGX Nifty. I'm looking for the target of around 18,200 and above for that beyond that fifth wave of the Roman letter third. So far now it is it's valid, it looks like valid, and it is already broken the previous high of 968 something what we mentioned, that 966 in the SGX Nifty. So now it's already broken that high, and it's a remarkable mark of 18,000. It's a psychological level, and it is crossed about that 18,600, and but it's closed below. I think in Nifty it's closed below the 18,000 mark. So far it is looking like the same view. There is nothing changed in my view also. So what I expected here, it could be again that 17,700 to 17,735 I expected for, if this is an wave 1, 2, so 3, 4 and 5 what I discussed in that yesterday, and I looking for this kind of three-way structure, but again it already passed the previous high also. So now my view is entirely there is one possibility is there. So what means I previous yesterday what we discussed about this is the end of the fifth way, right? So whether this could be the still the end of the fifth wave also. So how we have to change the intermediate waves in the 15 minutes is, so whether this intermediate wave 1, 2, so 3, so the entire thing is a 4 and 5 is got ended. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could be that three-way structure for that this wave 1, this wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and this is the wave 5. So that means now only it got completed that five-way structure here for that wave 1 of wave fifth wave. So that means still we are in that again one more correction what I expected in the nearly. So it can again retest this uh, triangle trend line of the top. It may took this as a support. That same thing I think it occurred in that I think I'm not getting that. That same kind of happened in one more stock also. So it took all that the previous, I think in crisis, I think so. So once again we will check that also, whether that is a crisis or some other. Once again, but I forgot that. So 1 second. Yeah, I think so. No, it's not the crisis. So no, okay, don't waste the time. Let's move on to that Nifty is SGX Nifty. So now this top trend line may again retested. After that I'm expecting that wave bigger third wave. So before that it could took a consolidation here. So like this kind, one aggressive movement to the downside is already done. So again the three-way structure, after that one more that five-way structure, the impulsive wave. So here it could I'm expecting tomorrow may be a consolidation zone. So after that I'm looking for that third way. So for this view, as we discussed yesterday also, you just, if you are listening just now and you are watching new to my stream, this analysis, so go through that yesterday's analysis and then you can catch my point. So whether this is the 3, 4 is ended and beyond that fifth wave. So fifth wave is also be a spread into the five-way structure I'm expecting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it has to happen in the fifth wave also in the five-way structure. So wave 1 is completed. So whether we are in that second wave as per what I discussed, or this could be the end of the second wave and we are in the third wave. It could be either anything, it's possible. But my target is now it's around 18,560 and above. So let's wait for this to conclusion, and this is the invalidation for this wave count. I'm again and again remind that, because once it gets stopped out and this view may get invalid, means that bigger Roman letter 4 in play. So mind that this is a 1, 2, so we are in the third wave. previous what we discussed means it's already the end of the third wave and we are in the bigger fourth wave, and I am expecting for that 17,200 to 17,035 also in my previous. But now the view according to the price action is changed. So now I'm looking, and this I have got a place. This is an invalid zone for this wave count. So this is my view, and in Nifty there is nothing bigger change in this, the same as per whether this is again the top trend line for that, and it's already retested twice. So let's again it could be retested again in that 4 hour also. This is a 1 hour chart. So if it is, and we have kept it in the 4 hour chart, so again it could again retested and the broken zone also, and this is a major resistance zone. Right now it took it as a support also. So within this 1775 it may reach, and again I'm expect 17,775. Okay, so after that I'm expecting a bigger third wave of the fifth wave, and it will reach again above the 18,400. I'm expecting the 18,560 maybe a rejection for the third wave here for this third wave. Okay, we in SGX Nifty is different count, and this is also different count, but both are in that third wave only. So it is not yet completed. I'm expecting nearly 18,500 mark, what we already placed in that zone. So this is my view for tomorrow. So we will see you in the next pre-market predictions for day after tomorrow. We will meet you in that same time for that pre-market predictions tomorrow. So have a nice profitable day and week to everybody, and thanks for watching my analysis and took this as a reference and to learn Elliott waves. Thanks a lot. Bye.